Good morning everyone. So this is biology project book. Children, today I am going to explain how to write biology project book. So like this you keep 100-page book for project. Okay, cover it with green color chart or red color chart. So write biology formative assessment book. Okay, write formative assessment book biology. Okay, write your name and roll number. Clear? Don't write project book, formative assessment book. Okay, next, so write this marks table, formative assessment marks table, like this children. So now we have only FA1 and FA2, no need to write FA3 and FA4, just you write formative assessment 1, formative assessment 2. Okay, and date of submission. Okay, so lab activity, written work, project work, slip test, total marks. Okay, average, teacher's sign. Okay, date. So like this you draw a table for only FA1, FA2. Okay, next write formative assessment 1 like this. Okay, formative assessment 1. Next, write lab activity 1, lab activity 1. Next, write experiment in next page. Okay, okay children, write formative assessment lab activity 1. Okay, so see here, this is the lab activity from 7th lesson children. Okay, I given this lab activity from 7th lesson. Okay, government said, so from deleted portion write lab activities and project work. So that's why I given lab activity 1 from 7th lesson, and for FA2 also you have to write lab activity from 7th lesson only. For FA1 and FA2, 2 activities you write from 7th lesson. In 7th lesson so many activities, experiments are there. From that you select one for FA1 and one for FA2. So this is the lab activity from 7th lesson. So write aim, apparatus, procedure, observation. Okay, aim, to show breakdown of food by using the model of chalk pieces kept in vinegar. Okay, so this is from 7th lesson children. So like this write. Okay, next, draw the related diagram and result. Okay, so if you want, write this activity for project. Okay, after this video I'll keep photos of lab activity and project. Okay children, so this activity is 7th lesson activity only. So if you want to write, keep pause and write. This is the activity, you can write. This is 7th lesson activity only, you write. Okay, next, project work. FA1 project work, don't write FA3. FA1 project work, otherwise just write project work. Okay, for project work, children. So this is from 9th lesson I given this project. Okay children, this only you have to write in your FA1 project. Okay, so first you have to write preliminary information. Okay, name of the lesson, class, project name, okay, date of submission, project number, title of the project. So see, title of the project. So this only I am giving. You can copy from here also, no problem. Poster making on our environment and our concern. Poster making on our environment and our concern. So write about our environment and our concern. How to save our environment. So first draw neatly poster on how to save our environment. I will show the pictures also. And write some information, related slogans also if you want to write on poster. Okay, next materials, tools, child center method, references, where you searched this information, that references, and write procedure. Okay, next, see children, this is the project information only about our environment and our concern. This information related to your project. Okay, compulsory write side headings clearly. Okay, information you can collect from internet. Okay, so this also same project, this project only I am giving to you. Okay, so like this poster you draw. Poster making on our environment, our concern. Write related slogans. So like this, take 2 pages, left and right side. Draw neatly poster on our environment, our concern. Okay children, so for this poster making, if you want, take any others like your sisters or any others, take help from others only for drawing. So writing part you only write. So this for poster, bio means diagrams only now. So that's why if you want to help from others, okay, not 10th class, other students, your sisters or friends, so you take help from your friends for drawing purpose. Okay, but draw neatly. Written part you only write. Okay, next, after this procedure you have to write conclusion and thanksgiving. Last write student signature and write your name. Okay, conclusion. By doing this project I understood about how to save our environment, how our environment is polluting. So like that you have to write for conclusion. Next, thanksgiving. Thanks to our biology teacher for giving this project to me. Okay, and I completed this project with help of my friends and parents, like that. Last, student signature also you add here. Okay children, next, after project, written work. So written work means first lesson, second lesson, write. First lesson name and second lesson name write for written work. Okay children, written work, it is equal to class work. Okay, just write first lesson name and second lesson name. Clear? After this, slip test. On one page you write formative assessment slip test and okay. So like this, draw neatly one marks table. Okay, marks column, teacher's sign, okay, invigilator sign, like that. Draw neatly one box. Write FA1 exam slip test. Okay children. After this, right side you have to write like this, FA1 marks list. Okay, draw right side FA1 marks list. Okay, lab activity, how many marks you got, that marks you write here. For lab activity, how many marks you got, that write. Project work also, after correction I will give marks now, that marks you enter here. Lab activity, project, written work, slip test and total marks. Okay children. So up to this FA1 finished. Next, formative assessment 2. Clear? Formative assessment 2. Next page, lab activity. So FA2 lab activity also write from 7th lesson activity. Clear? 7th lesson activity, wheat floor activity is there. You select activity 5, activity 7 as your wish. Write any activity from 7th lesson. Okay children. And FA2 project is, okay, FA2 project is from 10th lesson. Okay, so our 10th lesson is natural resources. So this lesson also deleted now. So that's why I am giving project FA2 project from 10th lesson. So the topic is write about our natural resources, okay, and how to save our natural resources. So you collect information about natural resources and how to save our natural resources. Understood children? So same like FA1 you have to write FA2 also. So FA1 and FA2 both activities, lab activities are from 7th lesson, and FA1 project is poster making on our environment and our concern. Okay, our environment and our concern. Poster, draw poster neatly, write few slogans and write some information about how to save our environment. Clear children? Understood? So next, written work, first lesson name, second lesson name. Next, slip test, FA1 slip test. After that, after completion of slip test, draw FA1 marks list table. Okay, only FA1 marks list, lab activity, project, written work and slip test total marks. Next, FA2 project, formative assessment 2, lab activity 2, write from 7th lesson. Okay, next, project 2, write about our natural resources and how to save our natural resources. Clear? Next, for FA2 written work is 5th lesson and 6th lesson. Right. Okay children. For FA2 written work write 4th, 5th. No problem. Like this also you can write. Written work for FA2, 4th lesson and 5th lesson names write. Clear children? Okay. Next, FA2 exam. Next, FA2 marks table. So after this, like these strips you paste near FA1 starting place, where you started FA1, that place you stick like this, where FA1 you started, So write on strip FA1. Okay, this on strip FA1 write and stick near where you started FA1. From that page you stick this. Next FA2. Okay children, understood? FA2, one more paper you stick here. Understood children? So this is about your project children. Understood clearly? So government changed this year portion, so that's why I am giving lab activity and projects from deleted portion. Government instructed give lab activities and projects from omitted or deleted portion. So that's why I am giving lab activity from 7th lesson, projects our 9th lesson and 10th lesson. Clear children? I hope everyone understood clearly. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay children, all the best.